Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can make and send a group email on Gmail. For example, if you'd like to send one of your emails or messages to multiple contacts without adding each address over and over again to the toolbar or address bar here in your new message. Let us show you really quickly how you can do that, guys. It is very simple. So what you want to do is create a group label for your favorite contacts or for the contacts you would like to send that message to in bulk. So what you want to do is head over to your contact list first on Gmail to access that one. Head over to your inbox and click on these 9 dots in the top right where it says Google Apps and scroll down till you get to the contacts list here. That is going to redirect you to your Google Contacts / Gmail contacts list. So here you may add new contacts by clicking create contact here, or what you may do, guys, you may simply hover your mouse over the given email sender here, and simply after that you will see an icon like that here in the top right to add the given sender to your contacts list. So let me go with that one here. After that, head over to your contacts list, refresh if needed. And after that, you will see all added contacts here to your contact list. So you may add all of your contacts or the selected ones to a group, to a label group. Let me show you how to do that really quickly. You will see a feature called labels here on the left panel. So to create a new group label, click on that plus icon here and give your group a name like, I don't know, group 1 or something like that. So let me go with group 1, click on save here, and that is going to create your first group label here. So to add contacts to that group label, simply select these contacts by clicking on that checkbox here, 1, 2, and 3. And after that, you will see these options in the top right. One of these is called Manage Labels. So click on it and assign a group label or a label in general, which in this case here would be our group 1. So click on it, confirm by clicking on apply here. And that is going to add all contacts to your labeled group. So if I head over to the group label here, you will see that these contacts have been successfully added. And that's basically it. You will see the assigned label here on the right side, like group 1. You may add contacts, of course, to several groups. It's not only limited to one. So you will see all labels and group labels listed here. So how can you send emails to your entire group? Simply head over to your inbox, craft a new message by clicking on compose here. And here in the address bar, simply type in your group name or label name, like group 1, for example, or GR, the first letters of it. Select the suggestion below. As you can see, you see the suggestion here with 3 members. And that's it. And as you can see, all the recipients' email addresses have been added automatically so that you don't have to do this manually anymore. Then continue with the subject, with the email content here, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, send the group email to your contacts by clicking on send here. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.